Hey y'all, I'm Tom at Integrity Transmission and Auto Repair in Fate, Texas. If you're looking to start a new relationship with a local owner-occupied independent auto repair shop, we might be for you. We're just a couple of regular old fellas trying to make a living. We don't believe in high-pressure sales tactics. We don't have a corporate culture. We don't have layers of management causing that price to go up, up, and up. We got an old tired building with old tired guys doing quality work. If you're looking for general automotive repair, brakes, water pumps, struts, starters, alternators, all that good stuff, we do that. A full 50% of our income actually comes from general automotive work. And of course, if you're looking for a transmission, we build quality transmissions with a 24-month, 24,000-mile warranty. In some cases, we can offer remanufactured transmissions, including that wonderful Nissan CVT transmission. We have financing available. We'd love to meet you. Give us a call, send us a text, a DM, whatever works for you. Heck, just come by. Thanks for looking, guys. We'd love to hear from you.